ka. Igo na sa mana, lusap na sa mana. Handok ni handok. Bukol ba yan diri? Ano?
Layo kay Davao, yung anak na diri buhol. Nara diri ay.
Muna siya ang Panglao Rots Cafe. So, muna siya ang Panglao Church yesterday. So, muna siya ang lagi nung gipaabot na mo. Welcome to Bohol! Ano na siya guys, ready na may para sa mong Panglao tour, island hopping. We're hoping for the island. So magkuan mi, magbalik ka sa island and sa Virgin Island, may pang Virgin kay Georgiana pa ang IS EDS na routes. So here we go. Black nga van. Yesterday. So I can see you there later. Mga kono. Yay!
Aliw nila nga na.
Let's go guys! Excited na mo? Ikaw Tal? Nonchalant ka siya si Tal. Okay, mga ito na Tal. Yes. Let's go to the beach. So, muna siya muagi kita dyan sa kuan. Pag high tide, hata muagi. But since it's a low tide, dito tayo daraan. So, napunto sa Aluna, guys, na mag-agi ka ba ito kang island hopping na po ka diri. You have an option. It depends upon the tour guide. So, medyo hunas pa good siya, guys. Tanawa mga kuan. Diba? Yeah! Nag-video ba ko diri sa una? So, ayan. We're going to Balikasag Island and the Virgin Island here in Panglao yesterday. Nagbakla lagi mo mga ate cute.
Bye guys!
Kuya cute. So mo gani mga kuan. Yes. Nilarga ng to go. Ang kukalyong kay wala pa, relax lang mo. So muna siya mag-island hopping. We were hoping gid be done sa island. Yes! Manang gusto. Tag-egg, so... Wala na iko ano?
Wala na egg.
We're here for our island hopping. We're hoping for the best. We're hoping for the island, yeah. So this is my second time, I guess. So we will have a dolphin watching, a wild dolphins, and right after is I think Virgin Island, and the last stop will be the Balikasag Island, because Balikasag Island there are lots of trees, stores, basta nana siya. Virgin Island, no trees. It's just an island, a white sandbar island. So after here, we're going to Hinaganan Caves. This is one of the best talaga. We're choosing the best spot here in Bohol. Yes. So see you there. This part, there is a Cebu City, yes. And that part is Siquijor, yes. That part, that island, yes. And we're here in Panglao Island. Yes, it's we got constituents all the way from Cagayan de Team, Hagdan, yes, FM. So there's a Siquijor, guys. This part, there is a Cebu City, yes. And that part is Siquijor, yes. That part, that island, yes. And we're here in Panglao Island. Yes, it's we our constituents all the way from Cagayan de Team, Hagdan, yes, FM. So there's a Sikihor, guys. Ako gani, uy. Pangit as yung kamera na yung hanap na baloy. Grupo na sila muna kamo ba? Ay! 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 Yay! Ay, mahadlo siya ni mo eh. Wait!